Marbella is a 1 to 5 player light strategy game that takes 15 to 45 minutes to play. To begin, shuffle all cards and separate them into piles equal to the number of players, with the ocean side facing up. Place those piles near the center of the table in front of each player. Next, shuffle all tokens and place them face down in the center of the table. Then give each player a starting shoreline card. These cards are two-sided and either side can be used to begin the game. Have each player draw 5 cards from the pile in front of them and place them in their hand with the ocean side visible to the other players. Have each player draw 4 tokens from the center pile. These should be kept face down on the table. To begin play, each player selects 1 card from their hand and places it ocean side up on the table. Once all players have chosen a card to play, the cards are placed in each player's shoreline. The remaining cards are then passed to the next player on the left. Repeat this action 3 more times so that each player will have placed 4 cards onto their shoreline. Each player will now place one of their tokens onto their shoreline. Each player now draws back up to 4 tokens, discarding any number before drawing. And each player draws 4 cards from their draw pile to bring their hand back up to 5. Play is repeated for a total of 6 rounds, which completes the game. When the game is over, each player will have played 25 cards and 7 tokens. Now it's time to see who built the best shoreline and scored the most points. A scoring guide and score sheet are provided to calculate the final scores by following the scoring guide from top to bottom. First, players receive 1 point for each pair of shoreline and ocean cards. This player receives 10 points. Write the score and continue working down the scoring guide. The player does not have a surfer beach. This player does not have a party beach. This player does have a family beach. Let's score it. First, 1 point is awarded for each calm ocean card, because families love calm water. 2 points are awarded for each umbrella icon for a total of 12 points. 1 point is awarded for the lifeguard icon. Note: the lifeguard also makes it possible to score this beach since there is a shark. Had the lifeguard not been present, the beach would have scored 0 points. 2 points are awarded for the sunset on this beach. 4 additional points are awarded to any beach with 5 or more cards. The family beach total is 24 points. Let's score the private beach. If there are more than 2 towels, any other humans, or a shark, this beach scores 0 points. Because there are 2 towels, this private beach scores 4 points for each card in the beach for a total of 12 points. A protected beach can be identified by the absence of a yellow beach token, and does not score if there are any humans on the beach. Protected beaches score 6 points, no matter their size. 5 points because there are 2 turtles on the beach. And a protected beach sunset is worth 4 points. The protected beach total is 15 points. Now let's score our rocks and birds. Every rock adjacent to another rock scores a point. This player scores 8 points. There are 3 birds within the rocks, which scores 5 points. For a total of 13 points. Note: this bird is on the beach, not in the rocks, and is not scored. There are 3 adjacent dunes that score 3 points. With 1 turtle for a total of 4 points. There are 4 non-adjacent sharks that score 12 points. Total the top section, then score the end of game bonuses. Most bonuses are scored by comparing with other players. The most completed beaches, largest single beach, longest connected single type of ocean, and longest connected single type of terrain. This player has 3 completed beaches, with 3 different types, and the longest being 5 cards. The beach on the left end is incomplete and does not score. The longest connected single ocean type for this player is 6 cards. And the longest connected single terrain type for this player is 3 cards. 2 bonuses are based solely on individual shorelines. Each beach with 4 or more preferred ocean types receives 4 points. 4 different completed beach types receives 4 points, and 5 different completed beach types receives 8 points. This player has one beach with 4 or more preferred ocean types and receives 4 points. Since only 3 different beach types are completed, no other bonus is received. Total the scores of all players to determine the winner.